Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I am excited to present our coaching management system, a comprehensive web-based solution designed to stimulate the teaching relations between teacher and student. This presentation will walk you through the key features of our system and demonstrate how it can transfer the way education interactions are managed, tracked, and optimized. Our goal today is to show how this system can save time, improve education outcomes, and provide better experience for both teachers and students. Before diving into the feature, let's look why we developed this system. Educational institutions and independent teachers face numerous challenges. Many managing their relation with students, including schedule different miscommunication, tracking students' progress across the multiple sessions, organizing and sharing education resources, managing payment finance records. Our coaching management system addresses these pay, pain points and with a centralized platform built on Laravel and a reverse PHP framework. This system uses a security MySQL database to store all the information, and features. More modern, responsive, and interface built with Bootstrap. So, in this web page, a student and teacher both can create their own account. Just as I show it, I will go. A student's name is Abid, and he can just write his mail abid@gmail.com, and there is also an option of password so that other person cannot enter in his profile or in his data and others. So I will type a random password. Let's make it for easy going. I am making it a simple password. There is also a I button, so that the user can see his password and also hide it. And then again, I will just simply copy this and check whether it is right. Just suppose I am a student. So a student, Abid is a student, and he has created his account. His password is 123456, and then his account is ready. So this is a student account. In this account, the student can book a session. So in this, the available teachers who sign up for the in the website are here, and also their specialist leads are showing. So suppose Abid wants some idea in data structure, so database systems. So he book a session with Hussein, a teacher. His schedule time is 19 and 11:05 p.m. Okay, then he book a session. So we can see that such session is updated, and the teacher name Hussein can see it. So and let's go to the progress bar. So as Abhi didn't attend any session and the teacher didn't give any update in the progress bar, so it's showing blank currently. Then goes to resources. In these resources, all the teachers can upload and the student can see the resources. So if I see the Hossein sir has uploaded a project PDF and other PDF also, so student can also download this. So if I this show this, there is a in the project there is called assignment 4. So PDF issues can be easily seen, and as the Avid didn't did any session, or so there is no invoice or any billing or any pending invoice currently. Then let's go to the communication tool. This communication tools is very helpful because a good communication can establish successful teaching relation. Relations our system includes built it managing tools that allow direct communication between the teacher and the students, keep all the educational discussion in one secure place, and maintain a search history of all conversation. This element meets the needs of separate email chain and or messengers keeping all the education communication organized and accessible in the same platform where scheduling and progress tracking occurs. So like just think I want to message to Hussein sir. This is not mandatory for session, it is just showing the communication tools works, that's all. So I am Abid is sending to Hussein sir that I need help. So send, and we can easily say that the message is sent successfully, and in the send box it is seeing. So let's go to let's sign out from Abid's account and now log into Hossein sir's account. So I am entering the Hossein sir's account for okay. So there this is the Hossein sir account, and in this sir can see who has booked some uh, sessions for him, and teacher can uh, in the session teacher can see that it is in that two sessions are booked, and teacher can update whether it is completed or not. So let's go to Abhi session. I guess that's after communicating. Let's go and see that Abid has sent Hossein sir that he needs help, and then Hossein sir will reply in compose message to Abid. There's the Abid student. Okay. Come in campus today in your session time. So you can see that the message that Abid sent to Hossein sir, he can see it easily. And after I just suppose the session is completed, so Hossein sir can mark the session completed. So and it is easily sent the session has marked as completed. Now go to progress sir. Only Hossein sir can give progress to the students who books a session. Just you can see that Shipon's session is not marked as completed, so Hussein sir cannot give progress to him. So now we give progress upload to Abid. Uh, this progress bar can be really effective monitoring the progress over time and over makes the easy detailed progress tracking. T- Teacher can record the outcome and achievement set and goal and for each student and documents the improvement areas. Just like our goal was to um, help help student. It is the Abid's update to learn the basic of chapter 1. Now the achievements, all the basic are completed. So save the progress records. So you can see that the progress is updated, recorded successfully, and it can be easily seen that in 19 May 2025, the help the students and all the basics are updated. So so now let's go to the resources. Here the teacher can upload resources. Education materials are crucial for learning. Our resource management system allows the teacher to upload documents, presentation, worksheets, and our other files, organizing the resource by category or topic, control which student can specific materials. So let's go. Let's see the sessions. Abid needed help. Okay, and Abid wanted help from. We can let's go to resources. I suppose I some resources. Resource name. I am giving resource name is resource for basics. We can add description or not. I am not adding description for now. So after file session, if I go to down source and go, just suppose I am uploading the ham scripts. So I am uploading it, and you can see that the script is uploaded. Ham scripts are allowed to only 10 MBs, and if I upload it, this was uploaded successfully as uploaded, and this is the resources. Uh, the teacher who uploaded can also delete. Just if I see this, the Hossein uploaded this, so he can also delete this resource. You can see, and the resource is successfully deleted. It will help the teacher to manage the resources properly. Now go if now let's go to the invoice and billing system. Managing payment is often challenging for educational professionals. Our system is streaming this with the integrating billing. Teachers can generate professional invoice, automatically track the payment for all the students, and send payment reminders. So Hossein sir got a session done with Abid, and the session cost is $10. So if the teacher also can make some changes in it, uh, and the payment date, due date, I am giving it 21 May. I am not adding description, but I can also add descriptions if I want. Creating invoice. So if I see the invoice is successfully created, and this Hossein sir created this, and there is also a PDF which both the teacher and the student can see. So this was the features of the teacher, and communication, where Abid said he need help, and Hossein sir said that okay, come in the campus, and that's all. And if we get back to the Abid's account, Abid and the password, user can also change the password if he wants. And if you see the session, that it is seen completed in the students part also, and Abid can and the student can also book new session if he wants, if he has some more queries or anything, you can see it. And if he wants session today, he can also book it, just like if he wants sessions today at 5 or 8 p.m, 9 p.m. Okay, that's thing. And also can cancel session his schedule also if he becomes busy or anything, and it is can be seen. Okay, next uh, progress dashboard. By this progress dashboard, a student can easily understand his progress uh, and track the advancement towards the goals. So this created accountability and motivations, showing clear paths for improvement. The progress tracking features integrates directly with the schedule session, creating a complete picture of the educational journey. Then let's go to resources. The student can see the resources, and the sensor uploaded this ham11 script, ham script. So this is the uploaded script. There's maybe, and you can see, and if the student downloads it, and this is the downloaded script, you can see that compare the both of them are the same. There is no changes, and then go to billing and invoices. So I can see that the student can see that there is a total invoice 1, no, none are paid, the funding is 1, and the total amount is due to this. And if the student pay now, and the student can also view the payment slip, and it is, you can see that it is not paid till now. And if it is student say click on the pay now, it will be paid, and it will be given the pay successfully. And then you can see the changes. The total invoices are 1, the paid invoice is 1, and there is no pending, and total due amount is 0 because all the payments are done. and the student can also see the pay pay slip, which is given that it is paid, and before payment it was not seeing that it was paid. The student can also make downloads. I am downloading, showing it to see the downloads, make the presentation just like I'm payment of session. Okay, done. Now if I go to this, and you can see that the payment slip is properly payment paid, and that's all receipt, and there is also a receipt ID given, so that the time and that payment system is on track, and also the payment time is also added here. And now I have seen all the things, and there is also some other features, like the user can also delete his account or edit his passwords. So if he thinks, if I go, the current password of Avid was 123456, and Avid wants to change it. Suppose that's QWERTY. I'm just making it simple, so that ERTY. This is updating the password, and you can see that password is now updated. And if the student log out and again log in, and previously the password was 123456, but if it is changed and try to log in, it is selling invalid password, and try again. Now if I put the update password, QWERTY. Okay, you can see that it is easily logged in. The user can also delete his account if he is what, but after deleting it, there won't be any option of getting a vet. That user has to recreate one new account for his own, and that's all. For from the side of teacher and students, and there is also an admin panel in the website, so that it can the various works can be maintained. The admin panel is only one admin ID and one password. Only the admin will be able to know it and log in. So I am showing the admin panel works now. An admin panel can communicate with the teacher and students. So I just say that admin wants to communicate with sensor. He's telling you are doing well, and send. Sensor will be able to see it, and admin can also do some more things, just like changing the managing the session, managing the user's password, see the invoice reports, and also can delete the user if he wants. The admin can see all the user. There are 10 invoices and 10 are paid. There is no pending, and also see all the PDFs and delete invoice if he wants records. Now if the manage user, and that there is 88 users and 4 of them the student and 3 and teacher, 1 admission. The last account was Abid. The the admin can delete one user account and also reset password. Let's support it, uh, admin wants to reset Abid's password. The password was previously QWERTY and reset password, and the new password is this. So if I go to this, the admin will mail the user the new password if the user forgets it. And now if I sign out and log in to the Abid's account, and the previous password was QWERTY, and if now it tries, you can see that invalid username and password because the password is changed. And if I updated it, and you can see that this was the new password generated by the user, and see that's all. And finally Abid can delete his own account. Now let's make an demo of creating teacher account. If I suppose the teacher new teacher account names Rahman, email ID. So while creating email ID, I can, if I just put numbers, let's see, it is showing that the email ID is invalid because it is not an authentic email ID. Now Rahman gmail.com. You can see that while I use an authentic email ID, it is showing a tick. And let's make a password. Only after 6 characters it is showing a tick. And if I see, you can see that if the less than character 6, then it is showing that you must be at least character 6. So I am making the 6 character password, then copying it into pasting it, and now the I button, and it isn't. If a teacher, the teacher can also add his specialties so that the student can easily know about his specialties and book an appointment. So I am adding specialties like robotics. I am creating account, but if I don't click I agree to the name policy, the account won't be created. So I am retirement politics, and I am copying the password because of my, and there's an option of saving it. If I want, I am saving it so that I can present easily. So you can see that nobody has no progress because it is a new account, only nothing can. But as it is he isn't teaser, he can upload anything like cap notes, and cap notes, if it had like cap notes, and you can see as a teacher it is easily uploaded, and he can delete only the he uploaded. So let's see. And in invoices, as no session has been scheduled with him, so he cannot book any say any invoices, and he can also give any progress. And let's he can communicate with anybody, and even with the admin. You can see that he can communicate with the admin. And say I am a new user. I want to delete my account. He himself can delete his account, and also the admin can delete his account also. So if I go to the profile, uh, then deleting the account, the username is Rahman, and deleting the account, go and check and see that account has been successfully deleted, and no longer he can log in. So you can say that the user and password are incorrect. And let's see the admin deleting account. So if we know that, let's see the users, like any user like the Abid. I accidentally forget the Abid's password, so I will create another account. I will give a reset password to Abid, and then it will be helpful for me to delete the Abid's account. And you can I want to delete the account, so just I if I log out and see the Abid's uh, that's the password previously, but it don't work that because the reset password is set. So I will reset password, and if you see I update password, you can see that again the Abyss account and all of his progress billing are showing. And now the admin will delete the password, the account, and go to and then go to my profile, manage user. You can see that it was 8 users, and the 4 of them is student and 1 is teacher. So if I delete this account, and the successfully deleted, now the user is 7 and 3 students and 3 teachers. And if Abid wants to log in, he won't be able to log in anymore. If I go and log in, you can see that password was changed, but that was not problem. Abid account doesn't exist anymore. So and this project will be beneficial, and the user and the admin part will be also admin part will be very helpful to manage the system, the database, and all users. The dashboard presents this information clear visual formatting, including charts and graphs, making it easy to perform at the glance. So finally we can see that this and this system will be very helpful to develop an educational professional and organization. Thank you for and also developing the times time clash and other problems in one platform. Thank you for attention, and we if you have any question and anything, let me know. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day.